Doctors in southwestern Connecticut say they are seeing a spike in the number of people seeking treatment for laryngitis. News 12 Connecticut's Patrick Musanak is in our newsroom. Patrick, you talked to a Darien physician today who says the problem actually stems from something we associate with warmer months.
Tom, Dr. Jennifer Jose says the root cause is actually winter allergies, which you want to catch before they take you to the next level. Dr. Jose says during the winter months, our throats are likely to dry out because we are breathing in both hot and cold air. She says symptoms often include a post-nasal drip and sneezing, which are most often associated with allergies. Dr. Jose says if you don't nip the allergies in the bud, laryngitis, which is a viral condition, can set in. But it doesn't have to go that far.
You can prevent it with moistened air, like a humidifier at home. Then you can definitely prevent that.
Dr. Jose says you can also treat a dry throat by drinking plenty of liquids. She says if your allergies persist, continue taking an anti-allergy medicine. In the newsroom, Patrick Musanak, News 12 Connecticut.
12 on Health, some local doctors say they're seeing an increase in the number of people coming in to be treated for laryngitis. But you may be surprised to hear what's actually making them sick. News 12 Connecticut's Patrick Musanak talked to one doctor who says what's going around is not only a bug, but is treatable and preventable. So Patrick, what is it?
Erica, the doctor I talked to says what's going around is actually related to winter allergies, and the laryngitis is a common result if you don't take the proper medicines.
Any fevers, chills, any shortness of breath or anything like that?
Physicians like Dr. Jennifer Jose say more and more people are coming in to be treated for laryngitis. Recently, Westport resident Joey Testa started to feel ill.
My throat hurt. I started to get like a clogged head. And then eventually I just had no voice at all.
Dr. Jose says laryngitis this time of year is quite common.
It's winter time. So a lot of our throats are dry. Most of the time people don't know how to treat dry throat.
Dr. Jose says when a person starts to get sick, typical symptoms include post-nasal dripping and sneezing, symptoms synonymous with allergies. She goes on to say this is also often caused by the constant breathing in of both cold and hot air.
You can prevent it with moistened air, like a humidifier at home. Very good. It looks good.
Dr. Jose says it's important for people to know that laryngitis is a viral condition.
You cannot treat a laryngitis with an antibiotic because it's not bacterial in nature.
Dr. Jose says you can also prevent this from happening to you simply by taking your anti-allergy medicine and drinking plenty of fluids.
That in itself will help relieve a lot of the symptoms of dryness of the throat.
Dr. Jose suggests that you go to the emergency room only if you come down with these symptoms and a fever of more than 101 degrees. She also says stay home until you feel better so you don't spread your illness. In the newsroom, Patrick Musanak, News 12 Connecticut.